Did you know bamboo can survive hurricane-force winds that snap mighty oak trees in half? While oak trees stand rigid and eventually break, bamboo bends up to 40 degrees without snapping. The secret lies in bamboo's hollow structure and flexible joints that yield completely to overwhelming force. Ancient Taoist masters observed this and called it the ultimate form of strength. They taught that rigid resistance leads to destruction, while flexibility ensures survival. This applies perfectly to human resilience during life's storms. People who adapt and bend with pressure outlast those who stubbornly resist change. Nature's strongest survivors aren't the hardest materials, but the most adaptable ones. True invincibility comes from knowing when to yield.